Hey guys, what's up? It's Heidi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to show you guys today's video because you guys, I finally got a PR package from a makeup company, and this makeup company is called JudyDoll. They are actually the first makeup company that reached out to me, and yeah, I'm just super excited. I literally tested everything out in this video, and here's the finished makeup look. So definitely stay tuned to see me unboxing everything and showing you guys my first impressions of everything. I'm truly obsessed. Like, I think my makeup turned out so cute. If you guys know and you've been watching me for a while, you probably could tell that I've really gotten into makeup a lot in the last few years. But yeah, I'm just like super excited to show you guys everything. Actually, they gave me a discount code. I will put it on the screen. You guys can use this code for your next purchase at JudyDoll.com. I can't remember it off the top of my head. They're already super affordable, but definitely use the discount code because you're not going to want to miss out on getting it even cheaper. Even though their products are super affordable, I will say that these are probably some of the best quality makeup I've ever tried. It is super good quality. Once you watch me trying and testing out the makeup for the first time, you're going to see what I mean. And yeah, I just think my makeup looks super cute, and like, honestly, I think it looks really good. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to show you guys me unboxing everything and testing out the makeup and giving my first impressions of everything. I'm really impressed. I don't know, ever since I graduated high school, so the past 5-ish years, I have been obsessed with makeup. I've just slowly gotten more and more into it. I've tried a whole bunch of different makeup over the years. So yeah, I'm really excited to test these out. Yeah, let's just get right into it. Like, honestly, I don't even want to open anything because the packaging is just that cute. Like, oh my gosh. All right, before we start the actual makeup, I'm going to put moisturizer on my face because my face is wicked dry. All right, so we are moisturized. Now we can get into the good stuff. All right, what should we do first? Okay. Oh wait, I totally forgot. Okay, I thought I ordered a foundation. I actually ordered this Sun Defense tinted moisturizer, which is literally going to be perfect because like the dermatologist literally told me today that I need to start wearing like sunscreen. So this quite literally could not be more perfect. I have to get scissors to open this. The packaging is just so cute, and honestly, speaking of packaging and having to use scissors to open this up, all of the makeup came very well packaged. Everything came bubble wrapped and like very secure. Oh my god. Try to take it out on here so you guys can see it. I have never ever owned such cute makeup. This looks so expensive and cute. Are you kidding? This like looks like it should be displayed. So this actually has SPF 50. That's insane. Okay, so you just twist the top off. Hold on, I'm trying to do it like so you can see, so that's why it's a little hard. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. So you just squeeze the bottle and it comes out. Oh my god, I love the packaging. That is so cool. I genuinely get so excited about makeup. Okay, so let's try the foundation now. I'm so excited. Okay. Holy crap. Whoa. I was just gonna say like that this is blending in really good, and that's very hard for me to find because my skin is always so dry that it always looks patchy, but this is not patchy at all, and I think it's because it's a tinted moisturizer, so this is really going to be good for my skin. Wow, okay, that's literally going to be used every single day now. When I first put it on, I was a little nervous because I was like, oh god, is this going to match my skin? But it quite literally matches perfectly. I'm like really impressed by this. That is really good. I got a like kind of like a concealer type of thing. I think it's this one. The packaging is just so cute and girly and pink, and I love it. My nail polish is chipping off right now, so it's kind of embarrassing. Don't pay attention to that, please. I just got some on my pants because I didn't see it come out. Oopsies. Okay, yeah, I think this is kind of like low. Okay, I wasn't paying attention, so I kind of put a little too much. I'm really excited to see how this blends. Even though I do have like acne scars and like redness and hyperpigmentation, I really don't like to cover it up all the way. I just like to even out my skin tone a little bit. Oh, I think I put a little too much. I do this every time I wear concealer. Let me just go in with a foundation brush now. Oh yeah, okay. Oh my god, I look like the flashback Mary in this. I'm literally obsessed. This is why I was so excited for this haul, because I just, oh my god. I look sickly pale. Like I look like a ghost. That's scary. I'm wondering what this is. It is a JudyDoll multi-cream. You know what I think it is? I think it's blush. Okay, JudyDoll is very accessible packaging. All you have to do to open this is press a button and it literally just opened. Like it unlatched when I pressed the button. but wow, am I really impressed by that, and I'm really happy about that because packaging is so hard to open with my disability. I did not get any contour or bronzer from them, so I'm going to do that really quickly and then I will be back. Okay, it doesn't really look like it because of the lighting in here, but I did warm up my face and I did do my eyebrows. But we are going to use this blush that I was just talking about. So this is like a 2-in-1 basically, where you can use it as blush or like on your lips. Ooh, that's really pretty. Wow, I really like the consistency of it too. I'm actually super excited to try out the highlighter that they gave me because I used to not ever wear highlighter, but within like the last few weeks, I would say, I started wearing a highlighter on my inner corners. I'm pretty sure this went viral on TikTok. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. If you can see it, but the highlight is real, okay? Again, the packaging was pretty easy to open. This one did not have a button, but it wasn't like a latch, so it wasn't difficult to open for me at all. So we're gonna go in. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Holy crap. Whoa. Putting it all over my eyelids, actually. Whoa, I'm obsessed. It's just so pretty. Oh shit, it's making me feel like a fairy. Okay, we're gonna put some highlighter on my nose. Okay, literally obsessed with that. Probably the thing I'm most excited to try from this haul is the eyeliner that they gave me. I used to wear eyeliner every single day. Every single day without fail, I would wear eyeliner. I've been doing like a tiny little subtle wing with like eyeshadow, but lately I've been really missing the old days when I would do a full-on wing. I'm excited to try this one because it's a brown eyeliner. I feel like I've been more into like a natural makeup look, so I feel like the brown's gonna be good for that. I'm gonna test it out on my hand. Holy crap. It's like a very precise eyeliner. It's very easy to like use because it's so thin. Can you see that? That is so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this every day now because I'm obsessed. Next, we're gonna do the JudyDoll Curling Iron Mascara. Whoa! Okay, I've actually literally never seen a mascara that looks like this before. It's not like actual bristles. It's like metal. Wow, that's really interesting. I've never seen a mascara like this. Wow, but it's like working like a regular mascara. I'm really confused how this works. It like glides on so smooth since it's not like bristly. I will say this makes it very easy to do your bottom eyelashes because it's so thin and small. Wow, can you guys see? So cool. Also, I can't get over the shimmer of that highlighter. Like I used it like all over my eyelids. Now we can get into lip products. What should we try first? We're gonna go in with the JudyDoll Lip Powder Cream. I was excited to try this just because one, the packaging was super cute, and two, the applicator looked really cool. The packaging is so cute. It's a cute little face. So cute. Okay, I think I got a darker shade than I normally would get because I wanted to try something new. Never tried a lip product like this that's like powdery. Now we are going to test out the next like very viral products, I'm pretty sure. The JudyDoll Water Lip Gloss. The first one I'm going to be trying is shade 11. The packaging is super cool. Let's see. Whoa, okay. The applicator is like metal and like it says watery. Wow, and the applicator is super clean. Like on the bottom of that, it's only on like the actual lip applicator part. Let's try this out. It doesn't feel like a lip gloss, but it looks like a lip gloss. And then I also got shade 10. I would say it's more red. I'll put it on over it. Is that weird? If you want to see like a swatch of everything, go follow my Instagram and my TikTok because I think I'm gonna go do that on there. I'm trying to think of what it smells like. Okay. Whoa, that's just like so cool. Ooh, I kind of like this shade better. Wow, I'm like really impressed. And I'm really obsessed with everything I got. Okay, that is going to be it for this video. Here is a close-up of the makeup. Everything turned out so cute. I'm so obsessed. I actually am going to be using these every day. I really hope you guys know that. It turned out so cute. Everything feels so good on my skin and it just looks really good on my skin. My skin actually looks hydrated for once. I just want to give a huge thank you again to JudyDoll. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it's the first makeup company that reached out to me. And yeah, I'm just so incredibly grateful. I would not get these opportunities to do these videos without you guys. You know, I love making these videos, so definitely stay tuned for more and check out JudyDoll and use my discount code. Yeah, I'm super excited and thankful. So thank you again to JudyDoll. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.